Your AT&T internet password is the gateway to your digital life. Understanding why and how to change it regularly is crucial for protecting your home network and personal information. Cybersecurity threats are continuously growing in complexity. Hackers can gain unauthorized access to your network, steal personal data, or even hijack your internet connection for malicious purposes. Default passwords and network names are often easily guessed by attackers. They use common patterns and manufacturer defaults to break into home networks, making your first line of defense critically important. AT&T provides multiple ways to change your password and secure your network. You can access your router settings through a web interface, mobile app, or your online AT&T account. Creating a strong password is essential for maximum security. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid personal information like birthdays or names that attackers could easily guess. Here's an example of what makes a password strong versus weak. A strong password like BU0L8SIJ8X uses varied characters and is long enough to resist attacks, while simple passwords are easily cracked. Regular password changes are your first and most important defense against cyber threats. By updating your AT&T internet password with a strong, unique combination, you're taking a crucial step in protecting your digital life and personal information. There are three main ways to change your AT&T internet password. The first and most user-friendly method is using the Smart Home Manager app. Simply download the app, log in with your AT&T credentials, navigate to Internet Settings, select Wi-Fi network settings, and change your network password. The second method involves accessing your router settings directly through a web browser using your router's IP address. Open your web browser and enter the IP address 192.168.1.254. You'll need the device access code from your router to log in, then navigate to Wi-Fi settings to update your password. The third method is through the official AT&T website, where you can manage your account and network settings online. Visit at.com, sign into your account, access your My AT&T dashboard, navigate to network settings, and change your Wi-Fi password from there. When creating your new password, AT&T now requires passwords to be at least 16 characters long for enhanced security. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, include numbers and special characters, avoid personal information, and don't use common words. Following AT&T's 2024 data breach, cybersecurity experts strongly recommend additional security measures beyond just changing your password. Change your AT&T account password immediately. Check your credit reports regularly. Monitor accounts for suspicious activity and enable two-factor authentication. Regularly checking your credit report helps you detect any unauthorized accounts or suspicious activity that might result from data breaches. Remember to stay informed about potential data breaches and security updates. Regular password changes and proactive security measures are your best defense against cyber threats.